Good morning, you guys. Today is May 4th. It's Thursday. I'm just now waking up. It's 9:09, and today is a clean day for me. So I wanted to be more organized during the week, and I set aside Thursday as a rest day from the gym to just stretch, some active recovery, and to really just clean my house, okay? So with that being said, my son is still sleeping. I'm going to start sorting clothes. I have a couple of errands to run today and things of that nature. So I'll take you guys along with me today, and we're just gonna go through the day and see what today brings, you feel me? I'm about to start sorting these clothes. I know I ain't brushed my teeth yet, but listen, the way chores be set up sometimes when you don't want to do them, you either really just look at everything around the house, or you really just gotta say, fuck it, I just need to do it. And it's one of those moments where I'm about to just gotta do it. Just gotta do it. Look a little small. I know I've only done laundry in the past week, but usually it's way more than this. So I'm definitely gonna go around the house just to double check if there's anything that I need to pick up. I know there's some bathroom necessities I need to get. I definitely need to wash my blankets. Yeah, so I'll be collecting all of the things and bringing it down to the car so that I can go to this stank ass laundromat. I just had to brush my teeth and stuff because I need to take my vitamins a little bit before I eat breakfast. Some of them require that I take on an empty stomach. Supplement that I started taking probably a week ago. This is for sexual health. I was drinking beet juice to regulate my hormones and my hormonal balance and things like that. But when I'm not drinking the beet juice, of course, I still need to find something that regulates that. It's not extravagant, but guess what? We eat for goals over here. And whatever I eat, he gonna have some too. It's good.
Yeah.
He ate a pretty good amount. I usually give him only this amount of a smoothie, but I gave him more today just because he only had one hash brown. Can I blow your nose?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Go. Alright, so for my toddler mommies, this is for us. I've noticed that as my baby gets older, he's pushing 3, it's imperative to allow him to show what he's capable of. So allowing him to help me cook, allowing him to brush his teeth first, and allowing him to like pull his own pants up from the bathroom has been key to cutting down the tantrums. So try this at home if you have a toddler who's starting to throw more tantrums. The sheer fact that it's raining and I chose to do laundry today is insane. Yeah, man. I didn't even think about the fact that people are gonna want to do laundry today because they don't want to do it tomorrow for Cinco de Mayo. Sincerely, a very fucking tired human. My son ran out of the laundromat into the next store, and he would not sit down. And I had 5 loads of clothes to do, and I just had so much to do, and I just couldn't even concentrate on my task at hand. You guys, I am so frustrated. I'm gonna vlog more when I get home because I just need a break right now. Like right now. Black mother comes first, gentle parenting comes second. Light in this room, so I'm going to Target once I finish cleaning up a little bit more and grab some actual lights, hopefully that'll do the job. Life feels so much better when you have a clean space. When you're clean, it's just therapy. And I look forward to therapy tomorrow. I'm dropping my son off to daycare for the first time. So I'm just like, ooh, just hit me. Like, I get to just let it all out. You know, like when your kid's around, like you just, you don't never just release 100%. And I feel like my daughter's gonna be after school, my son's gonna be in school. I'm gonna be here with myself to process some shit that I need to, and that is amazing for this lunar eclipse tomorrow, y'all. But yeah, this is, oh Lord, focus. Can we get together? Anyway, it's doing something for my mind right now. Like everything is just everything. When I have a clean home, I've been focusing on getting more structured. Like I'm getting a planner, y'all. That's what my spirit has been guiding me to. Everything goes a lot more smoother when you have things planned out. And I used to be a really strict planner, and I would be upset by things not going as planned. But y'all, I completely let go eventually. And now I'm just like, okay, I need to get more organized with my life, with my weeks, with my days, and just plan a few things out. It don't have to be the whole day, but plan loosely and allow things to flow. I am so happy I did it. Like, what? And guess who just woke up? I feel so good right now. The house is clean. I'm about to go to Target. We about to go get something to eat. My baby just got up from a nap. He starts school tomorrow. I just feel so at peace right now. Tomorrow is a lunar eclipse. Tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo. Tomorrow is my parents' anniversary, like what, 48 years. I got a clean house. Let me show y'all what it look like from head to toe, okay? It is clean. Put a new curtain up. Yes. Got the candle lit. Okay, the bedroom, the baby's room is clean. Everything is clean. Got that smell good. Got the curtains open. I had to move the bed from behind the curtains because it was just too dark in here for me. And I'm about to go to Target to get some lights. Anyway, but yeah. Who is she? Who is she? This is me right now enjoying the little things. Clean. The stove top is clean. The candle is lit. It's gonna be a good night. I'm about to go get some wine, baby. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. This is a cleaning vlog. Thank you for watching. If you like videos like this, if you want to see more content like this, please let me know down in the comments below. Okay, so hope this motivated you to clean your motherfucking house up. And if it didn't, I don't know what to tell you, because this was low-key therapeutic for me. So I hope it was therapeutic for you too. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.